The same intensity we saw from Orlando on Thursday. A masterful performance by the Grizzlies, led by the return of John Morant. And the Grizzlies in London get a 126-109 victory. John Morant with 24 points, season high 13 assists, and was a plus 26 in 28 minutes.
And everything he didn't show up. You talk about the purpose, the joy, the setting the table for his guys, making it easier. I mean, that's what number 12 does.
Insurance company on the road after a wreck. Those guys are tight as a tick with paying your payout.
Sorry, what did you say?
I'm a dirty Ken Nugent. Insurance companies try to hide their tricks, but we heavily anticipate their every move and outsmart them at their own game. Again, by the way, that's totally predictable. I can still see you. One call.
We got I'm Unlucky Block spawned. Bro, there's so many waves now. This game is so hard. I don't see any I'm Unlucky Blocks, I'm not gonna lie.